Have you ever wondered where creativity comes from? Or perhaps you've asked yourself, how can I live a life driven by curiosity, not fear? If so, stick around because we're diving into a book that addresses just that. Hi, fellow book lovers. Welcome back to Book Vibes, the place where we explore life-transforming books. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to never miss an exciting review. Today, we're talking about Big Magic by Elizabeth Gilbert, the acclaimed author of Eat, Pray, Love. Gilbert takes us on a journey in this book, exploring the mysterious nature of inspiration. But what led Gilbert to write this book? After her massive success with Eat, Pray, Love, many wondered how she managed to maintain her creativity without succumbing to pressure. And that's the essence of Big Magic, a guide to understanding and managing your own creativity. The book is filled with stories from her life, insights about her writing process, and valuable lessons about living a creative life. It's not just for writers or artists, but for anyone who wants to infuse their life with more mindfulness, passion, and big magic. One of the most compelling concepts Elizabeth Gilbert presents in Big Magic is the idea that creativity itself has a will of its own. According to Gilbert, ideas are not static. They are living entities floating around us, looking for collaborators to bring them to life. This thought is fascinating, isn't it? Imagine you're in your room, and an idea comes fluttering in, drawn to you because it thinks you might be its perfect partner. If you're open to it and show commitment by investing time and energy, the idea settles with you and evolves into something tangible, a piece of art, a novel, or a breakthrough in your work. But if you ignore or dismiss it, the idea won't stick around. Gilbert suggests it will move on to find someone else who might bring it to life. This perspective reframes how we approach our creative work. It becomes less about pressuring ourselves to be creative and more about being receptive and committed when an idea chooses us. Another profound message from Big Magic is about our motivation behind pursuing what we love. Gilbert encourages us to take a different approach in a world where success is often equated with fame and wealth. She emphasizes that we should follow our curiosity and do what we love because it fascinates us, not because of the potential fame or money it could bring. According to Gilbert, the real magic is in the journey of exploring our passions and interests, not in the destination of success. In Gilbert's view, if you focus on the joy and satisfaction the creative process provides, your creative output will be more authentic and fulfilling. And that's a decisive shift in perspective for many of us who may feel pressure to achieve conventional markers of success. So why should you read Big Magic? First off, it's an incredibly inspiring book. It encourages us to embrace our curiosity, let go of needless suffering, and most importantly, keep creating. So if you're stuck in a rut or want to unlock your creative potential, Big Magic by Elizabeth Gilbert is the book for you. Remember, every page you turn could be the one that changes your life. So why not give Big Magic a try? You can find a link to purchase the book in the description below. Also, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow book lovers. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Big Magic too, so drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in to Book Vibes, where we believe in the transformative power of books. Keep reading, stay curious, and as always, keep vibing. Until next time, remember, the world is full of big magic, and your story is waiting to be told.